Good morning, students. Welcome in the video number 5 of chemical thermodynamics. In the video number 4, we have seen different type of processes depending on a constancy of state function. They are isothermal processes which are carried out at constant temperature. Then isobaric processes, carried out at constant pressure. Isochoric processes carried out at constant volume. Adiabatic processes in which no exchange of heat take place. Then reversible processes which follow certain conditions of reversibility. Here the magnitude of acting and opposing force must be infinitesimally different from each other, slightly different from each other. And irreversible processes are the processes which will not obey the conditions of reversibility. And now we have to start with the nature of work and heat. So let us see what is the nature of work. We must know the concept of work. So see over here, what is work? We know work is supposed to be done on an object whenever object undergo displacement in the direction of applied force. Whenever the force is applied on certain object, that object undergo displacement in the direction of applied force. Suppose I have this object. If I am applying the force in this direction, it get displaced in this direction. Means in the direction of applied force, the object is moving in the direction of applied force. So here on this object, work is supposed to be done. Work is supposed to be done on an object whenever object undergo displacement in the direction of applied force. So force and displacement is there. We are applying the force and displacement take place. Therefore, work in mechanics is considered as a product of force and displacement. The product of force and displacement is known as work in the mechanics. Now thermodynamically, what is work? Work is a form of energy by which work is a mode. It is a mode by which system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. Because of the work, system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. Therefore, units of energy and the units of work are also same. So, work is the mode by which system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. Here we have studied work W. It is nothing but a product of force and displacement D. Force and displacement. Now for gaseous system, what is work? It is the PV type of work. The product of pressure and volume is known as work. In thermodynamics, let us see this is equation number 1. In thermodynamics, work is a product of pressure and volume. Pressure and volume. whenever expansion take place, we have studied just now in the last video number 4 we have studied. Whenever expansion take place, there is increase in volume, and whenever compression take place, there is decrease in volume take place. Either increase or decrease in volume take place depending on the pressure of a gas. The product therefore of pressure and volume is known as PV type of work. PV type of work. This work is a thermodynamic work, and this is the work in mechanics. So how to correlate them? See over here. In thermodynamics, the product of PV, pressure into volume. We know what is pressure. Pressure is nothing but force per unit area into volume. Now what is area? If the length and width is d, length is d, width is also d, a will be equal to d into d, length and width. What is volume? Volume is nothing but length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So the product of d into d, it is nothing but volume. Substituting over here, what we will get the equation PV. This is equal to force upon area, is force divided by d into d multiplied by volume. d. This is not density. It is not a density. It is the distance, displacement. d length. So this second one. So what is it? PV will be equal to force into displacement. Therefore, this is mechanical work and this is the work from thermodynamics. Therefore, work is nothing but PV, or it is same as a product of force into displacement. And work is supposed to be done on an object whenever object undergo displacement in the direction of applied force, and work is a mode by which system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. Further, we have to see nature of heat. Here we have to explain nature of work. Now it is the nature of heat. Q. This is also energy. What we have studied, work is the form of energy, because work is a mode by which system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. In the similar manner, heat is also the form of energy. Heat is a mode by which system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. Whenever heat is lost from system to the surrounding, energy is given from system to the surrounding. Whenever heat is absorbed from surrounding to the system, means energy is absorbed from surrounding to the system. Therefore, heat is also a mode. It is also a mode by which system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. Now, what are the sign conventions? Suppose we have plus W. Plus W means it is the positive work. So during positive work, what happens? whether there is the expansion process or there is a compression process, there is a compression of gas. It is known as work of compression. Sign convention plus W is considered as a work of compression, where the gas molecules are compressed and the volume of gas decreases. Since volume of gas decreases here, this is a gaseous system and we have the gas up to this level. This is piston and this is a gaseous cylinder. Pressure of gas is P. Applied external pressure is P external. When compression takes place, piston comes down. This is the compression. Piston comes down. Now you tell me whether this is work done by system to surrounding or surrounding to system. It is the work done by surrounding onto the system. So work of compression is also known as work done by surrounding to the system. Minus W, it is opposite, known as work of expansion. Work of expansion. See what happened during expansion. This is pressure of gas. This is applied external pressure from piston. This is the original position. Now, during expansion, pressure of gas is greater than applied external pressure. Therefore, piston will move upward. Piston moves in the upward direction. Means that is work done by system to the surrounding. System has done work on surrounding. Is known as work of expansion. It is the negative work. Work of expansion is considered as negative work, and that is the work done by system to the surrounding. Plus Q. Plus Q. Heat. Can you tell me whether plus Q is the heat absorbed by system from surrounding or heat lost by system to the surrounding? Plus means absorbed. The heat absorbed by system from surrounding is termed as, has given the plus Q value, positive sign of the Q, and minus Q means heat lost, heat released from system to the surrounding is nothing but the minus Q. These are the sign conventions. Sign conventions. Plus W means work of compression, that is the work done by surrounding to system. Minus W is the work of expansion, that is the work done by system to the surrounding. Plus Q means heat is absorbed by the system from surrounding, and minus Q means heat is released, given out from system to the surrounding. That is there about the nature of work, nature of heat, and sign conventions. Now let us see the expression for work done, pressure volume type of work done during irreversible process. Let us see this expression for PV type of work done during irreversible process. Expression for work done. Just we know the work. Work is a mode by which system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. It is the mode by which system can exchange its energy with the surrounding. In mechanics, work is a product of force and displacement. What is irreversible process? The process which is taking place in only one direction, that is fast process, taking place in only one step, spontaneous, instantaneous, where no thermodynamic state of equilibrium is maintained, is known as irreversible process. So during such a type of irreversible process, what is the PV type of work obtained? See over here carefully. Let us consider the gaseous cylinder. This is a gaseous cylinder fitted with weightless and frictionless piston. This is the piston. Piston is present in the surrounding area, and here it is a gaseous cylinder containing certain number of moles of gases. This is the system. Let us consider the pressure of gas is T, and applied external pressure from surrounding to the system is nothing but P external. Pressure of gas is P, and the applied external pressure is P external from surrounding to the system. Now, depending on magnitude of applied external pressure and the pressure of gas, we have studied three type of conditions are observed. First case, whenever the pressure of gas P, this is greater as compared with the applied external pressure. What happens? Since the pressure of gas is greater as compared with the applied external pressure, this piston will move upward and gas undergo expansion. We will get the work, that is work of expansion. It is known as work of expansion, and that is considered as a negative work. So whenever the pressure of gas becomes greater than the applied external pressure, piston will move upward and gas molecules undergo expansion. After expansion, energy of gas decreases, capacity to do work decreases. Therefore, work of expansion is also known as negative work. That just now we have studied. Work of expansion is the work done by system to the surrounding, which is termed as a negative work. Secondly, let us consider the pressure of gas T. This pressure is less than the applied external pressure. At that time, there also work done observed, and that is known as a work of compression. Work of compression takes place, and this is considered as positive work. Why this is positive work? Because whenever this pressure in surrounding region is greater than the pressure of gas, piston moves downward. As piston moves downward, gas molecules are compressed. Due to compression, rate of collision of gas molecule increases. Volume of gas decreases. So rate of collision of gas molecule increases. With increasing rate of collision, energy of gas molecule also increases, and energy is capacity to do work. Therefore, work done increases, and therefore work of compression is known as a positive work. Work of expansion is negative work because energy of gas decreases. Work of compression is positive work because the energy of gas increases. And third case, whenever pressure of gas is equal to applied external pressure, at that time piston remain steady, no movement take place and no work will be obtained. Work done is zero. Work done is zero. No work will be obtained. Why? Because piston will neither move downward nor it will move upward. Piston remain steady. Displacement is zero. Displacement will be zero. And we know work is a product of force and displacement. Force and displacement. So displacement is zero. No displacement of the piston take place. As displacement is zero, here for this condition work done will be equal to zero. Now further, let us calculate the PV type of work during irreversible process. Let us see the first condition. Work done, we know work is a product of force and displacement. The product of force and displacement is known as a work done. Pressure is force per unit area. The ratio of force per unit area is known as pressure. Now let us consider the first criteria. For a first criteria, pressure of gas P must be greater than the applied external pressure. This pressure of gas P should be greater than the applied external pressure so that gas molecules undergo expansion. And we will get the work of expansion, that is a negative one. So pressure of gas should be greater than the applied external pressure. This P is nothing but F upon A, force per unit area. And this P must be greater than applied external pressure. The value of applied external pressure with respect to this P must be with opposite sign. If this is P, the external pressure will be minus P external. Therefore, minus P external is also equal to force per unit area. Now, what is the work done over here? Work is nothing but force into displacement. Force into displacement. From this, what is the equation for force? F is equal to minus P external into area. From this equation, we will get this equation. Now substituting this equation in the above one, we will get W work done will be equal to minus P external into area into displacement. And now area into displacement is nothing but a volume. It is the volume, and therefore work done dW will be equal to minus P external. Here it is the volume. Whether volume is constant? No. Since volume either increases or decreases. During expansion it increases, during compression it decreases. Therefore, V is written as change in volume delta V, and therefore dW is equal to minus P external into change in volume is nothing but the expression for PV type of work during irreversible process. Here we know the value of delta V, it is equal to V2 minus V1. Since volume is a state function. Volume is nothing but a state function, and it is the difference between the volume of final state and volume of initial state. Therefore, now this equation will become dW, that is work done, will be equal to minus P external into V2 minus V1. So using this final equation or this equation, we can calculate the PV type of work done during irreversible process, and this is the minimum quantity of work done, because this process is taking place in just a single step. It is a one step process. Therefore, the amount of work done is minimum. Let us see it once again. How to calculate, how to study the expression for PV type of work done during irreversible process. Let us consider a gaseous system containing certain moles of gases which exert the pressure is equal to P, and the applied external pressure from surrounding to the system is P external. Now, depending on the pressure of gas and applied external pressure, we have studied three conditions. In the first case, whenever the pressure of gas P, this is greater than applied external pressure, at that time piston will move upward. Piston moves upward and gas molecules undergo expansion. Volume of system increases, volume of surrounding decreases. So that is the work done by system to the surrounding. Work done by system to the surrounding is known as work of expansion. And after expansion, rate of collision of gas molecule, decreases. So energy of gas molecule decreases. Therefore, work of expansion is considered as a negative work. Secondly, if we consider the pressure of gas P is less than the applied external pressure, at that time piston will move downward. As piston moves downward, gas molecules are compressed. Therefore, rate of collision of gas molecule increases. With increasing the rate of collision of gas molecule, energy of gas molecule increases, and the energy is capacity to do work. Therefore, work done also increases, and work of compression is known as positive work. Third case, whenever pressure of gas P is equal to applied external pressure, neither piston moves downward nor upward. Piston remains steady and work done will be zero. We know in mechanics, work is a product of force and displacement. Work done is a product of force and displacement. Pressure is nothing but the ratio of force per unit area. P is equal to F upon A. Now, the pressure of gas and applied external pressure are having opposite sign. For the process of expansion, if the pressure of gas is P, applied external pressure must be minus P external. So minus P external is also F upon A, force per unit area, which we can calculate. Therefore, this force per unit area will become F is equal to minus P external into area. From this equation, F is equal to minus P external into area. Work done is a product of force and displacement. So this F is replaced by this value. Finally, we will get W is equal to minus P external area into distance. Area into distance is the volume. Over here, change in volume take place. During expansion, volume increases. During compression, volume decreases. Therefore, change in volume take place. So instead of volume, we can consider as a change in volume during the process of expansion or compression. And delta V, change in volume, is V2 minus V1, that is final volume minus initial volume. So replacing delta V by V2 minus V1, we can write dW is equal to minus P external V2 minus V1. So that is the final expression. PV type of work done during irreversible process. That is the minimum work obtained. Why it is minimum work? Why it is not maximum work? Because it is the irreversible process. Irreversible processes are the processes. See, irreversible processes are the processes which are taking place in only one step. Therefore, minimum amount of work is obtained because only one step is present. So that is the expression for work done during irreversible process.